Yeah, the day is today. The baby lasagna team won, but today we are going to see Poi for Sports. Actually, it is Germany versus Spain. The only hope that I have to see a beautiful game. First of all, sportsmanship. Then after all the rest. You know, yeah, I will go with that T-shirt, if you don't mind. And then we will have some beautiful stuff happening over there. And see you sooner than later. My team is doing the hackathon. We are preparing ourselves for new adventures, and stay tuned. Nevertheless, God bless you, and take care. Really take care. Be thankful for every day, and we are the best team ever. Ciao.